So today what we're looking at is area of composite figures. And as you all know, that composite figure is made up of more than one plane shape. So to find the area of composite figures, first we divide the figures into their individual shapes and then we either add or subtract the areas. So hopefully you're going to find this quite good and very simple. Let's have a look. There's two examples here. Find the shaded areas. So I want you to look at this shape and you can see, hopefully, that what you have here is you have a rectangle and you have a triangle. The triangle has a base and it has a perpendicular height. So we can divide this into two areas, area 1 and area 2. So for area 1, what we have is a triangle, which is half base times height, which is a half, the base is 8 and the height is 4. And if we work that one out, you should get 16 centimetres squared. And then if we find the area of my second shape, which is a rectangle, so we use the formula length times breadth, and this is 8 times 6, and 6/8 are 48 centimetres squared, because we're talking about area now. And to find the total area, which is what we've been asked to do, I just usually do a little statement that says total area is, and I add up the two shapes that I have just worked out, and when I do that I get an answer of 64 centimetres squared. So let's have a look at question B. Can you see I've got this small white part that's missing? So that's going to mean that I'm actually going to be taking something away. Now there's many ways of doing this question, but I always like to try and find the simplest way. And the simplest way is to find the area of this large rectangle, which I'm going to do now, area 1, length times breadth. Now the trouble is, I don't have all my numbers. This is 3, but I know that this is a square, because I've got these two sides the same, so the other two sides must be the same. So 3 plus 2 is 6 and 8. So I have 8 times 5. So the area of this rectangle is 40 metres. Well, that didn't work very well. 40 metres squared. And then if I find the area of the small square, I'm going to call that area 2. It's a square. Formula is L squared, or sometimes you see it as S squared, which is 2 squared, which is 4. Now because I've got a piece missing, to find the total area now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my big rectangle and I'm going to subtract my small square, and what I end up with is 36 metres squared. So I hope that gives you a good understanding of where to go to next. Good luck with the work from the textbook, and I will see you shortly.